front of me is Motorola ThinkPhone 25, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. First of all, go into Play Store and download free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. When it's ready, launch it and hit OK in welcome pop-up to continue. If you want, you can tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on, and then go into Tab menu. Now edit your shortcuts. To do that, click on pen icon at the bottom right corner of your menu. Scroll all the way down, and when you see Caffeine shortcut at the bottom, hold it and drag it to the top. Then place it wherever you want to, let go, go back and click on it. As you can see, infinite sleep time is enabled. To disable it, tap on the same shortcut until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!